friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first visit to my channel, check out my playlist. I've got hundreds of seasonal decor, happy gifts, party ideas, all kinds of fun stuff for you to look at. I may not sound like myself this week. I think my allergies kind of turned into laryngitis, but I got enough sound coming out. I thought I would record this little intro. This week I wanted to share with you my Easter spring decor. Now I know Easter came super early this year, and we technically have a couple months of spring still left, but I feel so late in sharing it with you this year, but you've still got plenty of time to decorate with some spring things. So I just put together a little slideshow of inside and outside. I don't think I bought anything new this year. I just kind of rearranged and used things that I've always had. So I hope you'll take some of my ideas and make them your own. I inspire you to use something you have in a different way and put some little refresh spring all over your home. Thanks for watching.